Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I am doing my new hairstyle. So I'm doing a quick weave, and this is me taking it out. Now I have been wearing this sewing for about, I want to say like 3 months, which is usually the longest I wear like any sewing. Usually I give it about 30 to 45 days and it's out of my head. No, I actually gave this one a little bit longer, and I enjoyed the hairs from Elfin Hair, but it was time for it to come out. It was ready. I was itching for a new style, and that's what this quick weave. Sometimes, y'all, I feel like when I'm depressed, it just means that I need a new hairstyle, or it could be really depression. Who knows? I never know until my hair is done. For my shampoo and conditioner, I'm using the BioSilk Silk Therapy, and I'm just gonna wash my hair twice and then condition once. I do love this shampoo and conditioner. It makes my hair feel very silky. My hair has grown so much. I have been taking so good care of it. Next time I do a hairstyle, I am going to do a trim. I do like a trim like every 3 hairstyles. I do have to change my hairstyles quite often, so I know when I do my next one, I'm overdue for a cut. I am parting everything out for my leave out for my quick weave. Now, everything that I will be using for this, I will be putting on the screen. So if you guys want to purchase it or want to try it out, everything will be on the screen. You could order it on Amazon, but you also could get it through your local beauty supply. I'm also not being too technical with these braids that I'm doing either because it's a quick weave. I don't care what it looks like. Who's going to see it? Nobody. So I am making them like medium size just so I can have longevity, but also like I don't care what they look like as long as it's braided. And then afterwards, I'm going to add some oil to my scalp because your hair needs to be moisturized under these protective styles. What's the point of having protective style if you're not taking care of it underneath? Then I'm going to trace everything that I'm leaving out so I don't put glue on it because I have made the mistake of putting glue where my leave out was, and it's very hard to release it. So that's why I'm outlining it with some white eyeliner. The black gel that I was just using is called a molding cap. It is just so that it protects my hair while I put hair glue on it because I want my edges. I do not want my edges to be ripped out, y'all. So then after that, then I will outline my leave out with some hair glue so that when I cut the cap, it don't come undone. Then after when you do all that, you're gonna put your blow dryer on a cool setting for a little bit for like 5 minutes. Then you're gonna measure that weft, put a little hair glue on it, and then push it down just a little bit so it dries. Then hit it with that blow dryer with the cool shot for a little bit, and then move on to your next weft. And you do this all around the head until you fill it all the way up to the top. I decided I wanted to cut this into a bob with my beauty supply shears. They were weak. So then I pulled out the good old reliable boyfriend clippers. I thought he was awake so he can help me cut the back. He was not. So I had to do this cut all by myself. But luckily it turned out really, really good. And yeah, this turned out so bomb. And now I'm gonna press out my leave out with this Bio Silk At this point, it was 1 a.m. in the morning. I needed to take my behind to sleep because I will only got 6 hours of sleep. So I had to wake up my daughter at like 7:30 ish in the morning and take her butt to school. Honestly, I don't know how I make it through these days because I also had work after dropping her off. I don't know how I make it through, but I do. But I feel like every time I do my hair in the middle of the night, I just can't go to sleep. I just cannot go to sleep without like seeing the final result because what if I don't like it? What if I need time to come up with a plan B if I don't like it? But I end up loving it. And yeah, I really do not do like bobs or anything short, but I think I'm gonna do them more often because I got a lot of compliments of me having a bob. So we'll see. I kind of want to do like a bob with like a swoop bang. We'll see. My imagination can just go on and go on. But yeah, y'all, I accomplished this by myself and I am very happy with it. Most of my hairstyles are by myself, so I don't even know why I'd be surprised. Sometimes, I gotta be trusting the process. But anyways, these are the final results. This turned out so good. Look how good I look. Look at the bob is bobbing. Do you hear me? Stiff wear. This looks like this came off my head. It looks like a good old silk press from my hair. I mean, technically some of it is my hair, but like, ooh, look at that. All right, y'all. These are the final results. Bye.